Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by installing Password Depot and creating a vault right away. Enter a strong master password, at least 12 characters with mixed types, because this protects every entry. Once done, choose local versus cloud sync depending on your security needs and enable two-factor or biometric unlock for quick access. Make sure to note recovery options and disable weak autofill by default. This first step sets the stage for organized credential storage and prevents future lockouts or accidental exposures. Now you import and organize accounts. Use the Import tool to bring in browser logins or a CSV and map fields correctly to title, username, password, and URL so autofill works. Next, create groups and tags for work, personal, financial, and 2FA entries to find items fast. Generate unique passwords with the built-in generator and attach notes on rotation or expiration policies. Once everything is categorized, test autofill on one site to confirm field mapping before bulk trusting autofill across devices. Finish by syncing and backing up your vault. Choose a trusted cloud provider or use manual encrypted exports to an external drive and schedule regular backups. Make sure sync completes on each device and confirm conflict resolution settings so entries don't duplicate. If something goes wrong, first verify you're using the correct master password and check for sync conflicts or partial uploads. If needed, restore the most recent encrypted backup and make a new backup once you recover to prevent recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.